Money vibes.
Oh, waste, man. Move your pussy car, come on your face, you know. Walk trying to keep your blood clot off of me. Pussy one. Drunk my man, bust up your blood clot. Bumbo tactics on the way evil. Bumbo tactics.
Oh, ask about me and Kingston. Original big man.
Hold your blood clot seat, boy, you idiot. Hold your seat, boy. Hey, no mind what you doing, man. Hold him there, no madman, nothing. Yo, no hold a mad boy there. Hey, boy. Bumbo clock, boy, let me go sit down. What you want to do? Open your window. How you do it, pal? Mad bumbo clock, hey.
Him man a come for you.
I'll kick you right on him prick.
One him prick.
In line something there, so.
One him long something.
In hood. Listen, easy, you know.
Me know you're not easy. You broke me out.
I broke you out. You broke in long time till you need little broken. Oh, God, never lay down. I feel like the door open.
You tell us say man come.
Huh?
You tell us say your boyfriend come.
Oh, God.
To come lay down with you.
Lay down with me?
Mm-hmm.
Kick him like I said, find back where I come from. Oh.
So where you going with now morning, yeah?
Huh?
Where you going with?
I'm not feeling well, man.
You want to go to doctor?
Hmm?
You want to go doctor?
Hmm. That gone bad, it makes me go doctor.
You want to go that bad? Okay, good to know.
The bank door supposed to close, but they leave it open. The friggin' asshole step around there, step in. I mean, they could chop off their ass with me piece of my shit. You think me joke?
Me know you're a bad girl, brother.
Huh?
Me know you're a bad girl.
Oh.
Up on a Christian girl, and she tell me say that me for come church. So I ask her, me for come church for? I tell her say me know the emperor. She tell me say, me tell her say she look, but she say she belong to Jesus and she belong to Jesus. She want to come on my yard. She want me give her this and give her that. So I tell her say, well, when you come in on me hood, you have to come for the what? Come in on me hood, you have to come for the huh? Come in on me hood, you have to come for the what? Tough like a iron, hard like a rock. Come in on me hood, you have to come for the. Come in on me hood, you have to come for the what? Come in on me room, you have to come for the. Tough like a iron, hard like a. She said, you know what she said to me? She said she not give me no boom boom cause she no slack. She married to Jesus and him got she back. Same time, everything see she like me say she broke like a stick and she close them no match. She said she soon get a job watch. She tell me say she want all me Rolex watch. Me tell her take off your panty and just catch. Start up the action and just stop chat. Come in my room and just come for the what? Come in my room you have to come for the what? Come in the room you have to come for the what? Tough like a iron, hard like a rock, you know, man. She take me to church, she want to invite me to the pastor, you know. She take me to the church, want to invite me to the pastor. Me tell him move aside, King Selassie the master. He's a pant up at the throne, none sit after. And a joke, and a laughter. Him live in big house in Benzema pastor. She little money, she give collection half. And me tell the pastor, hey, we do Selassie a rata. In the meantime, me have to fuck this starter. Come in my room, me have to come for the what? Come in my room, you have to come for the. Come in my room.
No, where is it happen? You can get $150 for your Aki and you tell him to share in a half. And he give you $100 out of it. Yeah, and he should have give you more.
Yeah.
Of course, he should have give you more for the show. Yeah, he should have give you $200 out of it. Yeah, man. I fuck her, man. I fuck her. Because if you really sell your hockey for $150 and you tell him to give you half my money and then give you $100 and I go $200 asking for all that and then give you $100, him a real fucker for true. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Indian, like I'm Indian. I'm Indian. Indian. That me tell you, Indian I'm pussy, you know. That get truth, Gray. Hey, look at now. A woman sell the Aki, the man Indian picky Aki, and then sell the Aki for $150. Say she said she want half her money, and Indian give her $100. Indian should have give her more. Yeah, Indian should have give more. Yeah, man. I had just half my money you want and he give you $100. Yeah.
No. Indian bad there, so.
Indian too good.
I fuck.
Too good, man.
If I fuck. Indian I fuck.
Indian a fuck.
Indian said it give you 150 and you are 100. That mean him take 50.
Yeah.
So she come up here.
See, I told you the active five boy will give you
And should I get the 150?
200.
Oh, that 150?
Yeah, it's tough for sure, dog.
I was Sunday school he go. Give me some matter.
It's tough for sure.
How the boy when you Michael Plaxon, aka Fake Jackson. I want to tell you a dead boy. I either link in forward for, let me tell you this. Hey, Matic pan side we bust out your maga face. Right now, true, you can't violate, you just attack with your suck pussy gate. Right now, true. The producer where you link with him a punk and him can't style idol boss. When me tell you this dog, me a kill everybody brawling. The girl where your wife up, no she that a muckers. Fi idol dog. Right now true you just kiss a girl when she suck off. Look like cock. Nobody taste idol boss cause me we make you look like a mix clad parts. Right now true. You are say you are Michael Fake Jackson. Don't bother feel like say you can't ask him. Bury that for free dog. You mean a trust nobody in at the same card. Remember. One idol. Boss. Brawling. Some boy need to know. Next you take your chicken pill and go to your flipping pill. Right now chew your shitting bill and you talk about you go write a lyrics. Bury boy for fun. Ask on the spot news media. You see me? Remember. I want idol boss. Anyway, boy. Let me a good class. Me a fi restmatic in your face. Make you know say you're fat. I want idol boss. Remember. Don't play. Michael Blackson.